This short PowerPoint video is to go along with the test schedule that I've asked you to print out. Please note all the unit materials will open on Thursdays, except of course for the first one, which opens on the first day of class. The quiz, the discussion questions, all will open for each unit on that first Thursday that they open. And the due dates for those quizzes and discussion questions are scattered out. They will always be on Mondays or Thursdays at midnight. Remember that the quizzes, the discussion questions can all be taken from any computer. You get to have 2 tries at it and you'll get the highest score. Do note, however, that the first quiz and the first discussion question, which is sort of an introduction, are due right away. So pay attention to those due dates. Secondly, about the exams, there are 5 exams, as I've mentioned, but the first 4 will be taken between a Thursday at 8 a.m. and Tuesday at midnight. So you have basically 6 days to choose when to take those exams. The last exam, however, is, because we're ending the semester, it's open only Monday through Wednesday. And then the final exam is open from Thursday through a Wednesday, the entire time that there are final exams scheduled at Del Mar College. So pay attention to all of that. The exams and the final exam can be taken from any computer, but you must have the Respondus Lockdown browser. Wow! Okay, the point I'm trying to make here is it sounds very complicated. When do you take this? When do you take that? But really there is a method to this madness, and hopefully you will find a rhythm that will help make sense of all of this to you. Here's an example of the schedule here that I've asked you to print out. Again, this is for this semester. It tells you over on the left what topics you'll be covering, what chapters they are in the textbook, and then when all the materials will open up for this. It goes down through all of the different chapters and topics, and then it does give you the dates of when the exam for that unit will be open. Bottom line, pay attention to the dates. Once you've missed a deadline, you cannot make it up. The deadlines are firm. There will be reminders on Canvas of any upcoming deadlines for assignments or exams. You can also click on assignments or syllabus on the left side of the Canvas page, and it will also help you check for due dates. I will occasionally send reminders and announcements, but basically you're responsible, of course, for keeping up with the dates. And as I said again, quizzes and the discussions are completed online from any computer, and they will always be due on a Monday or Thursday night. The exams can also be taken from any computer, but you have to have the Respondus Lockdown browser. So again, keep your schedule handy, and there are many ways to check for dates, but that is one of the most difficult parts of any online class, is just keeping up with due dates. The good news is everything is there right now. I won't be changing dates or anything like that. So keep up with your due dates and you'll do fine.